Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Just want to give you a quick update because Solana today dropped quite a lot, quite significantly, all in line with primary expectations. We talked about lower levels for Solana, and I'm also telling you that every low could now be the last one. But to determine if a low is the last one, we probably only will know looking backwards after we had positive confirmation that we are back in an uptrend. So please understand that. But Solana has moved here into this target area. That is a target area we've talked about for months ago, about these two areas here between $30 and $55, $57. It depends on which exchange. Currently here on Binance. But the important thing is that this target area is sitting between the 88.7% fib level and the 78.6% fib level. And if we count this from an Elliott wave point of view, which I'm doing, which is also why this analysis has been so accurate, because we talked about those target areas already back in November, December. I think back then I didn't assume that we would really go down to the 88.7% fib level. We had the area between the 78.6% fib level and the 50% fib level on the radar. And then we specified it further as we went. But yeah, that we would really get down to the 88.7. Wow, I mean, look at that. But yeah, there you go. This is a viable target for a wave 2, and a wave 2 is what we are doing here at the moment. Next one will be a wave 3, then a wave 4 down, and a wave 5. This is typically how it works out. And this is for a wave 2, an absolute normal target area. Now, a move below the 88.7% fib level is never good, because this is like the last major support on the fib ladder, so it's never good, unless, however, you have some technical support levels down there. And in the first wave 2, cryptos usually do it, unfortunately, but they should then also recover fairly quickly. Otherwise, it will get a bit risky. But this is what we're looking at. So Solana is only doing what it's supposed to be doing. Nothing unusual. However, we need to say that it is looking a bit weaker than other cryptos. Well, on the other hand, I think Ethereum has caught up now with it. Solana was one of the first cryptos that made a lower low here compared to the low from the 12th of May. Then, however, we had AVAX as well doing it, and then Ethereum caught up now, and I think we've seen now quite a few cryptos doing it actually, and that is what I was waiting for, another lower low, and every low could now be the last one. But I think primarily we will still go lower, and that is based on the shorter time frame Elliott wave count. Here we look at the period here between May and today. So we came down here as expected in this 5-wave move down. Told you before, we could have counted this here as a 5-wave down and complete. That would have meant that, with a high likelihood, the low could be in, which means that we only go up from here. However, I told you I don't really believe in it, because unless we get positive confirmation and bullish confirmation, it is all speculation. And also given my expectation about Bitcoin that we still will see lower lows, I just didn't believe that we will have seen the low here for Solana. And the view remained that we need to see a lower low compared to the wave 3 low from the 12th of May. Now here where you see the wave 1 low, this on the FTX exchange that I'm looking here at the moment, it didn't make a lower low then, but it did one, I think, on Coinbase. So from that point of view, the wave 5 could have been complete here, and that could have been the last wave down to finish off the overall correction. But didn't really believe in it, and I told you we need to see significant price action above $48.41 to really get confirmation that the downtrend is over. And therefore I told you that it is absolutely possible and actually likely that we have to count this as an extended wave 5, which means we count this here as a wave 1 of a wave 5, this here as a wave 2 of a wave 5. There was, until we broke below the wave 1 low here at $35.62, there was still the potential that the wave 2 will be an extended one, an extended ABC, for example here, something like that, A, B, C. Absolutely possible and likely. However, it seems like the wave 2 is finished based on that breakout to the downside that we had today. Is this already the wave 3? I think so. Is the wave 3 already complete? Doesn't look like it, because you would normally, for a wave 3, at least expect the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, and I believe that would sit somewhere in the low 20s or mid 20s. So I haven't done that super accurately now, but it would take us, yeah, to around $24. So we are not there yet, yeah, but we're getting close to the 20 range. So something that seemed super unlikely here weeks ago, we are now heading forward to, and I think, as I said before, I think somewhere down here you will see the overall completion of this correction somewhere above $20 or around the $20 mark. And yeah, it's currently all going according to plan. You know, we can, within this wave 3, for fun, we can also count this, but it's not that relevant. It's really micro counting. So we can count this as a wave 1, this as wave 2. Yeah, this could then be the wave 3 of the wave 3, which is normally a very bearish one. And yeah, we saw quite a bit of a move down today. Is it finished? I probably wouldn't say so. Wave 3 of the wave 3, then there will be a wave 4 of the wave 3 and a wave 5 of the wave 3. Why is this wave 3 not finished in yellow? Again, 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. Let's see where we would land with that target. So yeah, we would get to, would have to get to $29.67 to reach actually the minimum target for this wave 3 in yellow. Now, if I say minimum target, this is not always 100%. Sometimes you get a shorter wave 3. This is possible and sometimes happens, but it's all about probabilities here in this market. And I think probabilities are on our side, and I think we are riding the right wave count. Otherwise, we wouldn't have caught all these waves here very nicely. And I still think we're going to see lower lows, and they should end that green wave 5. That is how I can see it at the moment. That might shift if we have an extended wave or something. But for now, I think we should really end this overall Solana correction in the range around $20. Why? Because back in 2021, as you can see here, we had a lot of support around that area. So that should really be good support going forward. And yeah, I mean, that is actually exciting because it really means that we could be in this last larger wave down, and we're getting to an end of this correction. That is how this looks like at the moment. And to be honest, I mean, we can't drop much more. We're already here at $34, dropped significantly, not only Solana, but the entire crypto market over the last few weeks and months. And, you know, naturally downside potential is a bit limited. All right. So this is my view about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.